Good day to all of you. In this video, we will discuss the social behavior in insects. So, from the examination point of view, it can be asked like write the social behavior in insects, what is communication, define the pheromones and the bioluminescence, and what is the foraging pattern seen shown by the honeybee. So, social behavior is defined as the interaction among individuals, mostly in the same species, that are usually beneficial to one or more of the individual. So, social behavior is the most simply defined as the group of individuals of the same species that cooperate with one another. Social insects that live in colonies together and exhibit three characteristics via group interrogation, division of labor, and overlap of generation term as the social behavior. So, chewing and lapping type of mouth part is seen in the honeybee. So honeybee is an example of the social behavior. So social insect works together to find food and other resources and to communicate and their findings to other in the community. Social insects can quickly construct a shelter and expand its as needed. So it may be the solitary, subsocial, communal, quasi-social, semi-social, and eusocial. So solitary is an example of most insects. Subsocial adults care for their own young for some period of time. Examples are the earwigs, roaches. So communal as adults who use the same composite nest. Semi-socials means the adults nest together, practice cooperate brood care with some reproductive division of labor. The halicids bees shows the semi-social behavior. Eusocial, the overlapping generation of adults nest together, practice cooperative brood care with sterile, non-reproductive workers. Example are the honeybee and the ants. The quasi-socials, in which the adults use the same nest. The eusociality is an extreme form of social behavior found in just a few types of animals. Occurrence of polymorphism form and each assigned a different function. So division of labor with the queens that reproduce a lot of insects. So honeybee is a true social insect, and it shows the social behavior. Live together in a large wall organized family group. Communication, complex nest construction, environmental control, defense, and division of the labor are just some of the behavior that honeybees have developed to exist successfully in social colonies. So characteristic of the honeybee, like it is a medium-sized colony, consists of only one queen, 300 to 500 drones, and 25,000 to 35,000 workers. So drones died after mating, and worker bees possess powerful sting with the poison gland. The pheromone released by the queen and distribution and the dancers are necessary for the survival of the colony. Two types of cells present in the honeybee, that is honey cells, which is placed in the upper part, and the brood cells, which is placed in the lower and middle part. Honey cells are stored pollen, nectar, honey, and brood cells are meant to rear the brood. Here are the figure of three types of bees, that is queen, which is the largest in size, worker, and then drones. Social structure of bees. The colonies of bees consist of three castes of bees performing different functions. Queen bee. It is a fertile female member of the colony which mates with the drones and lays eggs, and generally a single mature queen is present in each time. So they secrete a pheromone or queen substance from the mandibular gland which inhibits the growth of ovaries of workers and control the activities of the all bees within the hive. So they possess a curved structure at the tip of the abdomen which is known as the ovipositor, and queen honeybee lives for 1 to 2 years. Next is this drone, which is the only fertile male member of the colony and are haploid in number, which fertilize the eggs. So it quickly, as its abdomen hips open when his endophallus is known as is removed after copulation. No food collecting organs, totally dependent on the worker bees for food. Next is the worker bees, which is a sterile female member of the colony, and 15 to 38 days in summer and 150 to 200 days in water. So small in size and with the short abdomens. Bees dies after stinging, and because venom sac is often left behind because of barbed stinger. About 85% of the total hive population perform a variety of functions like nursing, maintenance of temperature, cleaning the cells, collecting pollens, repair of hive, helping queen, etc. Honeybee shows two types of dance, that is round dance and the wag-tailing dance, and Carl von Frisch was first to discover and decoded the language of the bees. So round dance and the tag-welling dance, the figure is here. So tag-welling dance is performed when the source is more than 100 meters far away in a definite position, while the round dance is indicates the direction of the source, and it is less than 100 without direction, and it is less than 100 meter. Here is another term, that is swarming and the nuptial flight. Swarming, when the workers and the bee workers and of the hundreds of the workers and drones come out from the old hive and fly to a suitable place known as swarming, while the nuptial flight is related with the copulation, which is done in the aerial. So it is all about the social behavior in insects and their types. In next video, we'll discuss the communication. So thank you and keep watching.